Hi, and welcome to my channel. This is KB We're Saving 101, and I'm KB, Kim Baker. If this is your first time visiting my channel, then welcome. I'm a lifetime thrifter turned reseller. I currently sell on Poshmark, Mercari, Tradesy, and I send boxes into Thredup. So if you are interested in reseller tips and tricks and lots of haul videos, then do me a favor and consider hitting that subscribe button down below because it will really help me out. Don't forget, I always forget to mention, give me a thumbs up. Those always help my views. Also, the longer you watch, the higher my ranking goes. So there you go. Anyway, I do appreciate you all coming and watching, especially since today is Thredup Tuesday. I know there's been a lot of drama. I know there's a lot of things going on. And so I am just going to yap with you for a little bit, and then we'll get on to what actually sold and all that good stuff. So, I utilize Thredup as part of my reseller business. It's not my entire reseller business. I usually only have about 200 items in at a time every month. 2 boxes usually come home, 2 boxes usually go in. And that's just how I work it. What I utilize Thredup for is to go through and get more items listed quickly. I'm a slow lister, okay? I usually do send in some of my actual best items. So, changing out, not sending certain things into Thredup is definitely going to add more attention to my Poshmark closet and my other closets that I have. But what I really want to talk to you guys about is a lot of people utilize it also because we usually get better payouts. All right, why do we get better payouts, guys? Because we mark the prices to 80% of the retail. Now, what's wrong with everybody? If you can sell it on Thredup for that price, why can't you list it and sell it on your selling platforms for that price? Nobody tries. They're all too busy trying to sell things for 25, 5. I'm like, really? Okay, I'm going to get after. I am so be the comps you want to see in this world. Advocate that really, I do list my items. I will list them higher. I actually have utilized Thredup as part of my looking up. I don't even look at the comps on Poshmark, guys. I'm sorry. I know a lot of people are going to say, well, yeah, you might sell a little bit slower. You know what? Yeah, but one of my packages probably equals 4 viewers. So come on. I really, really believe as a community, we could be changing. This is supposed to be like a huge thing. Secondhand is becoming very trendy. It is an in situation. We can go through and mark our items to what we want, especially when you can't find them anywhere else. They're not available in the stores. And look at how many stores are closing. For crying out loud, guys, come on. Let's wake up and start utilizing and stop devaluing a lot of our items. All right, there we go. Lecture is over. I did have some solds, so I am going to go through and show you those. And also I'm going to give you my thoughts. I do have my YouTube channel, and I also have my Instagram. When Thredup makes its total move to doing its pricing structure lower, I plan on utilizing my YouTube and my Instagram as my replacement for selling my items that I usually send into Thredup. So there's my thoughts also. Anyway, let's see what sold, because I did have some really good sales. In fact, a lot of them happened on Monday, Drama Day, or was it Tuesday? I don't even remember anymore. Such a weird week with Thredup last week. See you on the computer. All right, guys, so here we are at the computer. Oh, by the way, if you do not follow me on Instagram, you might want to consider anytime I find out any information or whatever I learn, I put that out on there first. If you just wait for my videos, you're getting it when I do them. So just an FYI. If you haven't heard, goodie bags are now 7-day. So when they pull an item, it's now 7 days until you get that item. Get a payout for that item, sorry. I do always like, if you haven't watched my videos, I like to heart my items by hitting the, I hate that they changed them to black, but anyway, heart the items. It's best to be utilized on the phone. I will show you why, because I do have something that I have to keep an eye on. Oops, this is my cart. I have 10 items currently pulled. I do have a lot of items that are expiring. I just pulled 35 items last week. I'll probably be down to like only like another 2 boxes might be expiring this month. So my items will be really low. But anyway, I have another 5 days. So you can constantly add. You have 7 days total, and then you can check out and you can put all your items into one. And I utilize my points, so you would go through and do that, my reward points. If you don't have reward points, then you can see it is a $5.99 shipping. Okay, so we'll go to the sales. All right, so instead of me opening up every single solitary one, I'll just go through them. Oh, this one I got paid out last week. It did not get returned, so that was $75. Nice formal dress. So yes, formals are still selling, and I love it. But nothing in there was from this week. Nothing in this box was from this week, but again, another formal, just pointing that out. Let's see, only 1 item sold. All the rest has been reclaimed. This one still has a few days. Let's go down here. I have 2 items left, and nothing has sold out of that box. This one was purchased, was returned. This one is sitting in somebody's cart. They both have quite a few days left. Hopefully one of them or both of them will sell. That one's not from this week, but all purses sales are final. So let's go to the next page. And I believe, hopefully I'll have photos of all of them. There is, well, hopefully. All right, so this box I had a sale in this week. Oh, that was 3. Okay, I guess I got to go back and back. All right, let's see. We'll go up here. Oh, this box I had 2 sales of last week. This one I had a sale in last week. And I believe that is all the new ones that I have that were for sale. Yes. All right, so let's go into those, making it short and quick because today's a holiday, and yeah, I've got everybody home, so hopefully there's not a lot of noise. Let's see, I'm going to go down to the bottom. So this item sold this week, 9 West Flats. Yes, I'll take that payout any day. That was awesome. I believe they used a coupon, 67. So, but a $30.84 payout. I love it. Yes, and it's in transit, so I don't know when that return window will close. It should be up tomorrow as far as, well, no, when it gets delivered is when it will show, but nothing has been shipping because today is a holiday. So I have like 1 item that I am in question of, and it is on this kit. Let's see. We'll go down to the bottom. No, it's not on this one. Okay, hopefully it's on the next box. I am going to say I'm disappointed in this. This isn't just a denim jacket. It is an actual coat. It was lined, all that good stuff. They did use a coupon, but 1966, oh well, and it's in transit. This one also sold this week, and so hopefully that'll be a $13.92 potential payout. When I have a date here, that is going to help me figure out, of course, too, although you can look and see if it says unavailable, but if it's only 7 days for the goodie box, 7 days isn't bad. I don't mind that. That's an easy, you know, payout really quick. Hopefully, we just don't have a lot of returns from them. Let's see, I'm trying to think. I think I've had 2 returns so far. So it's not like a lot of items have been returned, but it does happen. Okay, and let's check out this box. I believe I might have my item in question. Okay, yes. All right, so this one here, because it's hearted, I can go through and see. It says sold on it, but it's been sitting here and reserved for quite some time. I've had that happen with another item, and you know, it ended up getting put back out to sell. So I don't know if it was pulled for a goodie bag and just it didn't happen or what, but keep an eye out, because if it doesn't change, then you do have to contact them. All right, let's see. This item sold this week. So, and this one already says it's delivered. That was a quick delivery. I'm glad. I got 2 of them that were delivered quickly. And $13.92 on this Michael Kors leggings. So there you go. There's the sales for this week. Oh, one other tip. If you are collecting items, somebody has gone through and said that you go through and mark them up. I always forget to do that. So if you've marked your items down, you know, they're saying in case it gets lost, they'll have to pay you the higher dollar value. You can do that. It doesn't matter. I mean, I'm only sending in items that have been pretty much $5 and under. There's only one other item that's in there that is higher than that. So, you know, I'm not here to rip off the company. You guys have to think about it. Why are they going through and telling us we need to lower the prices, or they're extending the times, or whatever? They need to flip their items quickly. And, you know, yes, we want to make our money, but if you're not marking it up that high on your other selling platforms, do you really think you should go through and ask for that full price if you've already marked it down on theirs? Just food for thought. Anyway, hopefully I'll get to see you next week. And until then, guys, have a good one.